Yo, what's going on, guys? It's SoulStriker. Welcome back to another plugin tutorial. Today we're doing it on a plugin called the FFA Multi Arena. And this is a great plugin if you guys want to run some sort of pure PvP type server, and or just give practice to those PvPers on your server. So this is pretty cool. You can create multiple arenas, has a nice UI, pretty easy to set up. Plugin is mainly German, so there might be a little like misspellings here and there, but other than that, plugin works pretty well from versions 1.8 through 1.11. So that's pretty dope, and you can have custom scoreboards, you can have a whole bunch of customization of this plugin. So let's get right into it. So main command is the FFA. This brings us up the help menu, and now we're going to go ahead and create arena. So I'm just gonna call this test. So that is the arena test that we have created. Now what you want to do is, now you create the arena test, and now you want to do FFA setup and then the arena name, and then we'll call it test. So as you see, we have max players 16. You can add or remove players if they want to join this arena. You have the show kit, you edit kits, you can join the arena and delete it. You can have it enabled or disabled, and you can have the sign locations, set the shop, which is coming soon. And then you have positions that you have to set. So I'm gonna fly over here. It's basically like world edit, where you select one position and you select another. So I'm gonna fall all the way down here. Go ahead and bring up the GUI again. Set the first position down over here to the other side. It's about here. We'll go up like 20 blocks or so. And then now we'll go ahead and set the second position. Now I'm going to set my spawn point where there's glass up here. Right, there we go. We'll teleport up here, and then this is where I'm gonna like set my spawn point, I guess, where players can like jump down. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it up, and then set the spawn. Boom, we have set the spawn point right up here. Now what we're gonna do is we can set a kit. So we're gonna go ahead and edit kit. So I'm gonna throw this glass out. I'm gonna put on this armor. I'm gonna do sort of like a SG type thing. So bow, get some arrows. Get about like 8 arrows or so. Arena, you can set up like multiple kits. So like if you want like practice or something, which is pretty dope. So now we have FFA set kit and then test. So that is set the kit. Go ahead and clear your inventory. So we're gonna clear that. Throw these on the ground. Go ahead and clear that again. Oops, there we go. So we have cleared everything. Now we're gonna go back into FFA setup, and then we're gonna go ahead and add like 20 players. So yeah, so you can have 20 players max to join the FFA arena called test, and then you can join the arena right now, or you can set the sign. So to place a sign, basically go ahead and place a sign, click done, and then you're gonna stand where the sign is, and then go ahead and back into your setup, and you basically just pretty much set. So as you see, there's the lobby, the FFA test, and a 0 out of 20 players. And now what you want to do is, so once you're in these settings, you can go ahead and click the barrier in the bottom right hand corner, and it will take you back, and this will be all the arenas that you have listed, and you can set all, basically edit everything again. And if you go back one more time, you can set all the main features of the plugin. So 1 coin per death, so you go ahead and 0 coins, or you can have negative coins, negative 2 coins, and then 10 of vault money per kill. So if you're using an economy, you can get money for player kills as well, and then also 1 money per death, and you go ahead and subtract it, negative 2 money if you want. So if you want kill streaks, so kill streaks will be coming soon, and then you have the default kit right here, and then your arenas, that's what we just had. And then you have your scoreboard if you want to enable it or disable it. So this is enabled. You got block commands enabled or disabled, leave commands, and you have vault if you want vault enabled, drop items if you want them to drop, move items if you want them to be able to move it. If you have chat prefix, basically there's a built-in chat prefix like owner, YouTuber, VIP, stuff like that. If you want that to be enabled, or if you have your own groups, you can go ahead and enable or disable that. If you want a chat format enabled or disabled, if you have bungee cord, if you want like each server have like a specific FFA. If you have regeneration on kill, go ahead and kill on void. If you have like a void map, I guess, if you want them to kill on that, and then full damage if you want full damage to be enabled or disabled. So now what we want to do, go ahead and join test, and this is our scoreboard on the right hand side that we have enabled. We have kills, deaths, joins, and coins. So as you see, I've joined the arena FFA. We got our awesome kit that I've created. Go ahead and jump down here. We should take no fall damage because we disabled that, and boom, we have no fall damage, and we're pretty much set, ready to rock and roll. So you might have to change some of the messages in the config because the plugin is German, so you might have to, if you want it to be like perfect English, and if you want it to make sense, I guess you can go edit it in the config if you want to. So that's pretty much all the plugins, and as you see, I can't really drop anything because we disabled dropping and picking up. So that's pretty awesome. So hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. Go download it. Link is down in the description. It is free on Spigot, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.